Hello friends, welcome to English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write an essay on the topic If I Were Chief Minister. Let's start. The Chief Minister's post is very important. Therefore, it is a matter of pride for any person to become the Chief Minister of a state. The Chief Minister's post is full of responsibilities. If I ever manage to reach this position in life, it would be a matter of great pride for me. As a responsible citizen, I also have some expectations from the Chief Minister of my state. If I were the Chief Minister, I would have tried to live up to these expectations. I know very well that education can tell us the right path to our upliftment. If I become the Chief Minister, I will raise the standard of the education system and make it worthy and available to all. The examination system will be improved so that there is no copying and the actual merit of the student is easily visible. More attention will be paid to the eligibility of the students for admission for colleges. Reservation will be only on economic basis, not caste. Unemployment is the biggest problem of any state. Most people migrate to other states in search of job. In the absence of a job, a feeling of inferiority starts developing in the minds of the educated people. And they take steps to give their lives. To ensure this doesn't happen, I could have provided work and also implemented 100% reservation in government jobs for the indigenous people of the state. I will lay more emphasis on removing corruption. I will simplify the official procedures. I will make strict laws to punish the corrupt. If I was the chief minister, not only I would have realized my dream of making the state a fully developed state, but also a happy state by strengthening the social, political, economic, and educational system of the state.